are in no ways.
This is NS4270 Rail Fan here, owner of the Shady Rest Paradise. We are covering up a blog or vlog of the deadline here up in Port Clinton. As you can see, you see a locomotive, which appears to be an F unit. And there's running a Northern 251. This has been sitting here for years. I bet, hopefully Andy will get this thing fixed up soon to go along with the 270 and the 275. Pile of wheel shavings there from an actual engine. I'm not sure if it's from the locomotive there, but it's been from one of the ones in the shop. And over here, some new bogie springs for like the wheel bogies you see on the freight cars. And there's some, like, I think that's either a locomotive or a freight car bogie there. Some piping.
All this is over here.
You see on the flat car here, there's a front end of what appears to be a GP38 coupler sitting on a flat car. Engine block. There's a lot of stuff here. And over here, another locomotive bogie, what appears to be. Looks like this is a three-wheel bogie, so it looks like it's off from SD40 or an SD50, one of them. Bumper from a locomotive. Couldn't tell which one it's from. And there's another bogie right over here. There's another locomotive sitting in the deadline there too. Hopefully that gets rebuilt soon. I don't know if it will because of the condition, but who knows. Locomotive fan, cooling fan, some other parts on this flat car. So yeah, there is always a ton of things to do here at this railroad. Yeah, there's that box, and there's that box of bogie springs again. There's more bogie springs right here. I'm zooming. Yeah, zooming right there. There's more bogie springs. There's quite of a pile of parts. There's an old wheel shavings. Other locomotive parts.
So this coat hangers.
Oh, coat hangers?
Someone dumped coat hangers.
Oh, how about that? Take a look at those coat hangers there. Yeah, over there, that looks like either a starter or an alternator from a locomotive. I can't tell if it's either a starter or an alternator, but if you know what it is, just let me know in the comments once this video is uploaded. More wheels over here. Some more parts. But yeah, look at all these parts. A box of cords and wires for like maybe like from a locomotive or something. Alright, well that's the deadline for this time around, so I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for the newest videos, and please make sure you view some of my older stuff too, which means they could use some love and attention too. Alright, we'll catch you next time here at the Shady Rest Paradise.